Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Couple of days ago, I made a video comparing the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 8 Pro with all aspects, and we saw that there are not too many differences with respect to its features as well as how the phones are. This video talks purely about the performance and the speed which we'll be comparing today between both these phones. If you do want to see the complete comparison, I will link that down in the description. Do check that out as well. And let's get into it. So first, let's look at how these phones are with respect to their refresh rates and their touch sensitivity, because that plays a very important role with respect to the speeds of the phone. So both the phones, that is the OnePlus 8 Pro which is on the right and the OnePlus 9 Pro which is on the left, both have a 120 Hz refresh rate coupled with a high touch sampling rate also. So basically you're looking at a 360 Hz or more than 360 Hz on the OnePlus 9 Pro and a 240 Hz on the OnePlus 8 Pro. Though you will not see too many differences with respect to the day-to-day applications, because the 360 Hz on the OnePlus 9 Pro only comes in handy when you are playing games. Apart from that, the OnePlus 9 Pro has an LTPO panel which fluctuates between 0 Hz to 120 Hz depending upon the content you're viewing. So if you're viewing a photograph, for example, the refresh rate will be really low. If you are watching a video, it might be 30 or 60 depending upon the video you're watching. And if you're gaming, if that game supports it, you will be looking at 120 Hz. And before we start our comparison and speed test, a subscription to the channel will be massively appreciated down below. And don't forget to press the bell icon and like the video while you're at it. And coming back to the refresh rates and touch sensitivity, let me slow down the video and see which one's faster with scrolling, because I think that the OnePlus 8 Pro is faster with scrolling compared to the OnePlus 9 Pro. And as you can see, I have opened the same web pages on both the phones. The OnePlus 8 Pro on the right finishes the scrolling. The OnePlus 9 Pro is still scrolling, and both are at 120 Hz. So it might be a software problem or a solution which can be derived via a software update, but I really think and I prefer a steady 120 Hz compared to a dynamic 120 Hz, which is an LTPO panel. Now, while we are talking about the screens, both the phones have a Quad HD Plus display. And as I said earlier, I have done a detailed comparison. The link's in the description. Don't forget to check that out as well. Now let's do some speed tests and open some apps so that we can see which one's faster. And this comparison will be with the new Snapdragon 888 processor, which is with the OnePlus 9 Pro, and the Snapdragon 865, which is a 1-year-old processor on the OnePlus 8 Pro. So let's see what are the real differences and whether they are even differences which you should notice and make your decision to purchase these phones. So first I'm going to pull up this game, and before I could even finish, the OnePlus 9 Pro has loaded the game. But what I do see here is that there is not too much difference between both these phones. The OnePlus 8 Pro is right behind. Let's look at some more apps. Now with the clock, I think the OnePlus 9 Pro was a little faster, so I'm slowing down whenever the app is opening so that we can see the real differences. Now with the cameras, both the phones were exactly the same. I don't see a difference here. Let's look at another app. And here I think the OnePlus 8 Pro loaded the app first. So there are not too many differences between both these phones with respect to the performance as well, except heavy tasks like gaming. One more, settings. This was also pretty identical, and the RAM management on both these phones are also really great. So if you have an app open, like we had Call of Duty open, both picked up right where we had left them with an 8 GB of RAM. So that is also really good with both these phones. But if you are looking at the cutting edge processor as well as really good speed with heavy gaming as well as heavy video rendering, then I would suggest and I would recommend that you go for the OnePlus 9 Pro. But otherwise, the OnePlus 8 Pro is a good device for average applications and average day-to-day tasks. This device is amazing. And when it comes to the price point, the OnePlus 8 Pro definitely is giving more value compared to the OnePlus 9 Pro with everything that the OnePlus 9 Pro has, except a little slower processor with respect to gaming and other heavy tasks. And with that, we are at the end of the video. Do hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions, and I love to hear from you about these phones and which one would you pick up. And as usual, thanks for watching.